Hi, Tim. I thought I'd just make you a little video to show you some of the stuff that I figured out how to do. There's better videos than this, but at least it's all here for you if you want it. Okay, so I'm in my Google Drive. I'm going to make a Google slide. I'm going to show you some of the interactive things, and then hopefully your kids can benefit too. Um, so when you're in your Drive, go to New, and then you're going to select Google Slide. My computer's super slow, so I apologize. And then most worksheets are 8.5 by 11. So let's say you want to make like a regular worksheet, something that they can type on. What I've already done is I've taken a screenshot of a worksheet I want to use, and and it's uploaded into my Google Drive. I just use my phone. I just open something on my phone, take a screenshot, like fix the picture, and then I upload it to my Google Drive. And then it's ready. I can just throw it into slides when the computer actually lets me. So to do that, though, you have to change the size of the slide because it's sideways and we need it to be the other way. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Oh, good. It's finally letting me do it. So go to File, and then eventually it will let you choose Page Setup. And then we're just going to change the size of the page to make it match a worksheet so that we can throw our regular PDFs in there. So go to Custom because we're going to make our own. And then you have to change the unit first to inches. And then you can just type in the numbers. So just like regular paper, 8.5 by 11. Sorry, it's so slow. And then when you hit apply, it'll actually switch your slides. So that'll be good. So then the slide just has these text box that I just take out. I just click on them and then press delete to get rid of them so that it's, blank. Okay, so then now you're going to go in Google Slides is kind of like PowerPoint. So then you're going to go and put a PDF in here. So I'm going to go to Insert, and I'm going to put Image, and then I'm going to select an image from my drive. You can do this like if you're using, if you have it saved somewhere else, you can pick somewhere else. It'll let you upload from wherever. But I have everything saved to my drive. And so I'll show you the game first, and then I'll show you a worksheet, I guess. Or maybe I'll just throw both of them in, actually. Okay, it's taking so long. I'm so sorry. So slow. Oops. Okay. I'm making muffins. That's my timer. Okay, so let me just okay, here is a spelling sentence sheet I wanted to use. So I'm clicking the screenshot of that, and I'm hitting the word insert down at the bottom, and it's going to actually just put it right on my slide. This is just a picture, a PDF, and now I can make it bigger to fit my slide, and now I can make it interactive. How I do that is I go up to text box, and I click on that, and then I just insert a text box. And I make it as big as I want. And then I like to change the color inside the text box so the kids can see it. So I just go to this little paint bucket and I choose usually like a gray so it stands out and they know they have to type there. And then you also want to change the font because you can see my cursor is really tiny, so the printing is going to be too tiny for this box. So I just change it to, whatever I think that looks about right. So let's just write your name. Yep, that seems good. So I just continue that for the rest of the sheet, and then this becomes an interactive slide that your kids can type on. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do the game thing that you wanted. So go to slide, and then add a new slide. This is how you would do a second one. I'm going to get rid of these text boxes again. And let's say you wanted to do like a game that you have somewhere in your files. I took a picture of one so I could show you how to do it. Go back up to Insert. I'm going to put an image in again from my drive. And this is the one I picked to show you today. So you insert the picture of the game that you want. Let's say I want to leave some space at the bottom of this slide to put my counters. So down here, I'm going to put my counters to play this welcome back bump game. So what I would do is I go up here to the little shape icon. I pick the shape I want, let's say a circle. I just come down to my slide, click on it, and it will draw some kind of circle. You can see it didn't draw a big enough one, so you have to resize it and make it as big as you want. I think that's looking like the right size. And then again, just if you want to change the color, you just change the color with the paint bucket. So let's say I want to make it purple. And then to make a whole bunch of these purple ones, like in this game, actually kids need 10. So you would right click on that and just normal, like you just copy and then paste. And you just do that a whole bunch of times. I'm just going to do it a couple times so you get the idea. And then it's kind of annoying, but you just pile them on top of each other. So it looks like neat and tidy, and like there's only one, but there's actually just a pile under here. So you just do that manually yourself, which is kind of annoying, but I don't know. I mean, what else are we doing right now? I'd rather tinker around so they have something to play with. Okay, I'm going to show you one other thing that is handy dandy, and that is, let's say you wanted to do like a link on a slide. So let me go and add another slide. This is the last thing I'm going to do. And like, let's say you wanted to read a story. So you would already have to have a website, but I'm just gonna click Storyline because I know they have lots of good stories. So I'm in a new window right now, and I'm just looking for a story that I could throw into my slide. And I think it's going to pull up the last one I used, which is Sylvester and the Magic Pebble, I think. So it is. So this is a link right now to this guy reading Sylvester. We'll read Scott reading Sylvester and the Magic Pebble on Storyline. So what I would want to do to insert that into my slide is I would actually just click on this web address, copy the web address, go back to my slide, and then I would say insert, and then I would hit, oh, is that not how I do it? Okay, wait, let's try something instead. Let's do a picture of Sylvester, because Sylvester and the Magic Pebble, because I want my kids to click on a picture and then it will take them to that. Let's do it that way because it might be easier. So I'm just in a new window and I'm searching for an image that I can copy and paste onto my slide. So let's find a good image of this book. Okay, here's a good image. I'm going to right click on that. I'm going to copy the image. I'm going to go back to my Google slide. I'm going to right click again and paste it right onto my slide. Okay, that didn't work. Let's pick a different image. Sometimes you have to play around with it. Let's try this one instead. Same steps, just copy and pasting it. There. Okay, so that picture worked, thank goodness. Once you've got something in that you want to add a link to, why won't it let me? I wonder. Okay, hang on, I have to tinker with this. Insert. Oh, why isn't the link showing up? I don't know. Okay, hang on. Insert. Aha. Okay, so what I had to do was click on the picture, Tim. So click on the picture, go to insert. Hang on, I forgot I have to copy this link again, don't I? See, it's just me playing around. Okay, so copy the link you want after you got your picture. Go back to your picture, click on the picture. Under insert, it will give you an option to insert a link. And then you can paste the link that you want right in the box that comes up. And then you apply it. And now whenever the kids click on that picture, they're going to be taken to the story online. See, they click on the picture, make sure it works, and then they can click right here and it will take them to the story. All right, those are some tricks I've learned. I think I know some other tricks, but I just mostly just play around and watch Facebook videos. I hope this helped. Have a great day, Tim.